Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's a very urgent and very important update for all Chainlink holder, my brother, because in the same time very critical, my brother. All currencies is very badly fails down. But my brother, if we just and only check out the last 3 days charts, we better understand to why they will fail us down and what's the condition, can they will move upward in upcoming time or not, my brother. So completely we discuss about that. But kindly holder, if you are new my channel, so kindly you subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So after this long jump, my friend, you can see here they will fail down like that. And what's the reason, my friend? There is a main reason, my friend, especially the main reason is that especially in the start of month every coin will fail down. So therefore, my friends, don't see the short fails in those days they will fail down. So my friends, be alert, this is short fails. I hope, my brother, after a short fail every coin will move upward now. So therefore this is short fails, don't see the short fail, my brother, and don't take any bad decision, any wrong decision, my brother. A lot of holders starting selling, so if you are starting selling, my brother, you are doing very big mistake, and I will notify you, my brothers, to please don't do this mistake, otherwise you completely lost now. So my brother, my prediction is completely going to be positive now, because I know to after fails they will take a jump. So therefore I know of coming time they will move forward now. Let's see to what they do, holder, but my prediction is completely positive now. All right, my friend, if we just and only check out the last 1 hour update, so you can see here in last 1 hour they will fails down. But that's mean, my brothers, you can see here after this fails they will take a jump now. I know, my brothers, in upcoming time they will move upward, and I hope they will change this change occur and to positive now. So you can see, my brothers, the price is also, my friend, very badly decreased now, and I hope they will starting increasing now. But my friend, you know, they already hit now $40. So if they will hit again now, so my friend, I will notify you to they will make you millionaire at the end of month. So just in only you need to hold, otherwise, my friends, you are completely in the loss. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.